can you tell us something about your company and what are your core technologies?
Yeah, sure. My company's name is RENMAKCH India Private Limited. We are 30 years old company, and we are serving all equipment support to railways, metros, and high-speed trains. Yeah, next few years, I would say more and more modernization is going on. It's coming up with various partners like, European, American, and many, many more. So we would like to support them as an Indian partner, as a Make in India partner from India, and to support them, more and more manufacturing will come to India, and we can support Indian economy as well as we can support the local application, local customers.